Hello again, HoudiniEsq users. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Microsoft Word add-in for HoudiniEsq. So let's get started. First off, after you've installed the plugin, go ahead and open up the account setup under Settings in the HoudiniEsq tab of Microsoft Word. Here we can see the URL that you can input. You must have version 1.8 or above. Here I have our test server, which is actually a SaaS server, although you can use it with the on-premise as well. Include your login name, your password, and your iris password. Let's go ahead and click Save. Alright, let's go ahead and try and open one of these documents with the Microsoft Word add-in. This makes it easier than ever to actually access your documents because you can simply type in the matter name. You can just click down here and it'll show all your documents, or you can filter them by type. So let's go ahead and open our test document here. There it is. But suppose I wanted to save a document that I've created in Microsoft Word straight to the iris database. Well, you can do that as well with the save functionality. Let's go ahead and make another test document. So let's go ahead and save it. It will ask you to save a local copy, which we will go ahead and do in the Documents folder. And then it will ask you to go ahead and save it to the iris database. You can choose to save a PDF copy as well as a docx format. You can choose whether you want this to be a private file. That means that only you will be able to access it. You can select the matter. Let's go ahead and type in Dodo versus Acme. As you can see, it automatically pulls up the best match. We can select the document we want it to be a brief. You can enter Bates numbers here as well. You can check here if you want this to be a revision of an existing file in HoudiniEsq. You can add a memo if you'd wish. This is a test document. And you can also promote it to a billable event. I can make it a billable event. Let's go ahead and make it document composition, which it is. We can select the duration. It will by default use an event rate if you have one defined by document composition. Otherwise it will use the matter rate that you have set. Let's go ahead and save it. Let's check and find our document. Test document yet again. You can also use the HoudiniEsq Word plugin to create your own custom templates. Here we can actually insert a field from a matter or event. Select a category. It can be from a contact, matter, event, organization, staff, system. And as you can see, you can define the relationship of that contact. Go ahead and go with primary contact here. Put in their email address. It will go ahead and insert a token for the field. Now that token will automatically pull information straight out of the record in Houdini and place it straight into your document. Now let's go ahead and put in a couple other tokens here. Let's go ahead and include the phone number as well. We can also pull information from multiple records if applicable. Okay, we've finished inserting the tokens. So let's go ahead and save our template. Now you can actually save it as a certain type. Let's go ahead and save it as a notice, and it will save it as whatever the file name is of the current document. We can save a memo with it, and we can make it a private template if we only wish to use it for ourselves. Let's go ahead and click Save. And it's been successfully saved, and there is our template. We can also create a live doc using this template as well. And here's our tokens that we've dropped in here. We can actually change the information as we wish. That's part of the live word form. In addition, while using the live doc feature, we can also plug in alternate values for each of the tokens that we have placed in our template. In this case, I'm going to change the case number, which is blank because the original matter did not have a case number. I'm going to go ahead and plug in 574362. Alright, let's go ahead and create our document. And here it is. As you can see, we've generated the document based on our template. In addition, we can also open up templates that are already existing in Houdini. Let's go ahead and test this out. And this is our document with the tokens. We can modify the text and then just save it back to Houdini as the updated version. You can also generate a document from a template. Let's go ahead and see what a generated version of this template looks like for Dodo versus Acne. And here's the generated version. As you can see, you can create very professional looking documents with the click of a few buttons using the HoudiniEsq Word plugin. And that's about all we have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you find it very informational. Thank you.